Here's how to fix iPhone 17 Pro Max two white phones on the screen. So the first thing that you're going to do is the first one, connect your iPhone to a charging cable. If it's connected, make sure it's properly plugged in into a power source. Afterwards, once you connected, you'll see the two white phones icon on the screen. This means your iPhone needs to be restarted properly. Next, now press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Afterwards, immediately press and hold power button. Keep holding it even if the screen goes black. Release the power button only when you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Your iPhone will now reboot normally and the two white phone screen should be gone. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and use the rest of your iPhone 17 Pro Max features. This usually happens when there is a full storage amount on your iPhone 17.